So here's how you can assign a photo to contacts on the iPhone. And let me show you how it would work. If you're new here, definitely become part of the community of Foxtecc and you'll never miss anything important. So of course you can get inside your contacts application and you can see the list of all of the saved people. And in order to add a photo, just expand the view, tap on edit, and we have the ability to add a photo. But the way that it works in the iOS 26 and even in the previous versions is that we sort of have like two photos for the contact. We have the avatar or the small image, and then we have the poster. So the small image, as you can see, is titled avatar. So you can pick, for example, the emoji or choose a face or the monogram, or you can even upload your own picture, right? Whatever it might be, you can choose it like this. And this is going to be the first image. But then we also have the poster, and this is the full screen image, which is going to be shown when you receive a call from that person. And that is a separate thing. You can choose a completely different image for that. And that is another way, or the second type of the photo being assigned to a contact. But in here, it also doesn't have to be a photo necessarily. You can also choose a memoji or a monogram where like the letters of the name of that person will be like written all over the screen or whatever. So there are more ways how you can make it work, but you should note that this is the important part. And the contact posters are set up for every single contact. So you have to go through it one by one, and that is how you can manage that. So I hope it makes sense. I really hope that I was able to assist you with it and explain how it works. If anything changes in the future, I'll definitely update you about it. So stay tuned by subscribing, and I'll see you in the future videos too.